Before my tomatoes go in here, I am planting something else here. These are fast-growing crops, about 60 days. I'm growing Green Magic broccoli and Mini Pixi cabbage. Here's how I'm going to plant the broccoli and cabbage. So I'm taking some bone meal right here as some starter fertilizer, and I'm just popping it in the hole, mixing it up so it doesn't directly touch the roots. And then I just take my healthy, nice broccoli seedling, and you want to loosen up the roots on the bottom just so they can grow down and don't get root bound. And then I'm just pushing that soil back around the plant, and I have it in a little bit of an indent there just in case it does rain. It might be able to help with more watering. These ones I have spaced between my tomato rows, so where the irrigation line is over there is where my tomatoes go, and there is about 18 inches between where the tomatoes will be and where the Green Magic broccoli is and cabbage. So these ones I've spaced just over a foot apart. My thinking is I'm planting them between the rows, so where I typically would walk. And then after I plant the tomatoes a few weeks later, these should be ready to harvest, if not before then. So I'm trying to utilize as much space as I can in this spot now early spring before the tomatoes come in. All planted now, 22 broccoli and 24 Mini Pixi cabbage. Now we wait. I will keep you posted.